This is a test for the Nikon Coolpix S8100. Right now I'm testing the stereo sound on it. So far sounded great, except for the annoying zoom noise and the focusing motor noise. But if you're not really zooming in and out, sounds great actually. Of course, with its 10 times optical zoom, not digital, everything is crystal clear every time the focus motor locks into the subject.